So I'm trying to raise my boys not to be embarrassed to ride a pink motorcycle, but to be embarrassed to ride a motorcycle with training wheels. So the training wheels have come off of this 6-volt motorcycle, but the problem is the engine's not powerful enough for it to stay up on its own like a motorcycle should. Whoa. So go ahead, Noble, and you can hit this button right here and take off and see if you can ride it. Yep, it won't stay up. It's just too slow.
I want to see if I can do that again.
All right, try to do it again.
I'm gonna push it.
Okay. Can't get his feet up because it's so slow, right?
How
Needs
I
to
do
go.
it is I do this.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
do this. I don't know what I never.
But today we're gonna make it faster by doing a quick and easy conversion to 12 volt. So I took the kids through the process of upgrading this little bike from 6 volt to 12 volt using an alarm battery. If you'd like to know how to do this yourself, go ahead and check out my video on this topic, which should have a link on your screen somewhere right now. I'll also include a link in the video description. Once we finished, it was time for the test drive. Okay, we're ready. This is the first try after putting the new battery in.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going.
All right, go. All right, put your legs up. Oh yeah. Fast enough to balance. Not super fast. Yeah, good. There you go. Nice. That kid is ready for a dirt bike. Yep.
Or maybe on the gas.
Woo! Motor's doing fine, but that noise we heard is actually the gears. You can see the teeth missing from it, so this was too much power for this gearbox. I don't know if it shows up, but where there should be a tooth and a tooth and a tooth and a tooth, the teeth are missing over here, causing that nasty noise. It's just broken them right off.